Yes, this is the authentic Aya that you see right now. No makeup with eye bags. Hello, 343 viewers. Maybe, some of you guys are disappointed. Ay, pala may tsura na Aya. Ni. Baka, baka tune in nila sa live ko, tapos nakita, yan pala si Aya na nagla-live. Tapos, kasi, I know there's some of you guys na parang nag-expect siguro na, because, there are some people who do live, so parang alam mo yun, may set talaga, nakaayos, may ring light, mga camera, whatever, camera room, may mga background music. Ay, hala, boom! Hello, what's up? This is my life, people. What is good? What is up? Nakahiga lang ako. Panis yung mga ring light nyo. Ayaw ko ba anong nangyari sa akin, guys. Basta. Diba? Nakahiga lang. Panis yung mga ring light nyo, guys. Hinihigaan ko lang kayo. Diba? Iba pagpagod ka din, no? Kaya feeling ko that's why I wanna go out then with my friends later and then, kasi invite din ako. I don't wanna turn down. Because, yes. Yes. Because iba kasi pag pagod ka, iba din yung klaseng energy. Because you're pagod, so you just gusto mo na ibuhos. Yung pagod, kaya worm. Kaya that's why I don't even know what I've been talking about na sometimes. Hello, 341 people watching me right now. But don't worry, if some of you guys are disappointed with this, I will do my makeup in a while and you will see me transform as if I got to sleep the whole day. Mm-hmm. Yeah. La. Okay, la. Yeah. Yeah.